G'day guys, my name's Taz. It's a terrible day in Sheffield. Snow below 400, so it's sleeting at my place, so there's not going to be much chance for riding, so it's time for tinkering. And today, it should be a fairly quick one, but we're going to replace these terrible looking floorboards for some foot pegs. Let me go POV and I'll show you how to do it. This video is brought to you by the Tasmanian Organic Coffee Co. It's coffee with conscience. Single source, organic, Colombian or Himalayan coffee from Tasmania, Australia. These are aftermarket footboards, and I don't know, with the purple marine carpet, just looks really dodge. And the other thing is that they don't tilt much, and so they do scrape when you go around a corner. I scrape them every time when I turn right out of our street. So it's time to remove them and replace them with some foot pegs. This is an eBay item and they're designed for the XVS650 Custom, and so they should in theory fit without too much hassle. And they come with the pegs, springs, and some E-clips to hold them in, but I'll leave them in the bag for the moment. This will be an easy job, just a couple of minutes. And I think I'm going to use the bolt that's in here rather than the post and E-clip setup that it came with, just purely because it looks a little bit more secure. Sits there like that. So the fiddliest bit is just getting the spring right. Hooks there. Yep. Boom. So, washer, nylock nut. Perfect. There's the foot peg there, guys. These are from an XVS650 Custom, but they're installed now on my Classic. These were what were on the bikes when I bought it, and not only do they look terrible, but they're a little bit more dangerous because they weren't pivoting around the pivot point here when you touch down. So you get a shower of sparks. The bike would want to pivot around the touchdown point because that had no give or flex away. With these foot pegs, they do. You've got all that movement and snap back, and so it makes the bike a little bit more safe, in my opinion. The downer is that with a footboard, you can put your foot there, you can put your heel there. There's a whole range of movement that you don't get with a foot peg. Basically, with your foot peg, you're stuck in that position, and that gets a little bit more uncomfortable for long distance rides. But it's a small price to pay. Really, really easy install. It's like literally under 5 minutes per side. I got these from eBay. From memory, they are under $50. made in China. Even with COVID, they arrived within a couple of weeks. Great. Thumbs up. Guys, I'll see you next time. Till then, I'm out.